Hey guys, welcome back from your long weekend. And we're looking at the DAX 40 hourly chart on capital.com. This is essentially a CFD. All right. We're going to try and define the trading range and support and resistance levels for today. Hence, I'm using the hourly chart. Okay. Our target DAX is trying to get above R1 right here, which is the 11th April high. I'm choosing that as R1. We are currently trading below our 11th April support, the low S1. Okay. And the next low is the 12th April low. We're calling that S2. The white lines are your Gann angle support lines from S1 and S2 respectively. The red ones are your Gann angle resistances from R1. And wherever they intersect, those are very important support and resistance levels. Supports if the price is trading above them, resistances if price is below these levels. All right, so you get the idea. Okay, let's dive right into it. Earlier, DAX was trading just above the 14,110 support level, which is now resistance. Okay, and subsequently at open, it has broken right below the 14,060 support, and as you can see, it's trying to get back above that. Below which we had the 14,040 support, and finally our 14,000 level is acting as support, and so is this line. All right, so it tested that support and has bounced right back up. It's trying to get above the 1460 support. Okay, above, and looks like it's failing there, but those are our support levels. I don't expect DAX to break below the 14,000 for any length of time today. Now, let's define our resistance levels in the event that DAX starts to go back up. Our first resistance is at 14,110, which is this intersection here, followed by 14,133. Okay, the previous hour we made a high of 14,133 exactly, and we rejected all the way down to 14,000. So that is a resistance, 14,133, followed by 14,140, and above which we have 14,150 as resistance right here, and 170, 14,170 as a final resistance. If we can overcome 14,170, we can start to move further up towards the 200. Okay, so 200 is our resistance, the intersection here, exactly. All right, guys. So the range, let's define the range. The range is from 14,000 to 170. Okay. I expect the market to remain within these two bounds for the day. All right. So now let's discuss some of the option strategies to capitalize on a sideways market, range bound market. So obviously you have the most famous one is the iron condor, okay, followed by an iron butterfly, and these two are just hedged versions of the the short strangle and the short straddles, respectively. Okay, so you could also do a calendar spread if you have a view on volatility going forward into next week or the next month. All right, but essentially an iron condor would be a good place to start for a sideways market. It's a net credit strategy. So and if the market remains in this range for a couple of days, you can just close out and keep the premium. All right. So good luck. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and I will get back to you. I hope your trades are profitable. And I'll see you in the next one.